Our conversations always end up in a nose.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are checking out the DJI Mic Mini. Well, where are the microphones? Okay, I'm using it now. I've been using the DJI Mic Mini for the past couple of weeks and I'm in love with this DJI Mic Mini. With portability and crystal clear sound in focus, this compact mic could be a game changer. Let's unpack its features, performance, and ease of use to see how it stacks up. Well, as usual, before we start the review, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Opening the box reveals a neatly organized package containing everything needed for a seamless recording experience. Inside, there is the receiver and two transmitters in infinity black, along with a charging case and a carrying pouch for portability. The package also includes two clip magnets, four windscreens to minimize wind noise, a mobile phone adapter, a Type-C one, a 3.5mm audio cable, and a USB-C charging cable. If needed, a Lightning port iPhone adapter can be purchased separately. DJI's thoughtful packaging ensures convenience, giving users an organized, portable setup. Whether recording on a phone or camera, the contents of the box equip vloggers with all the tools needed to get started. Okay, I need to mention that I have bought a separate single transmitter, and let's quickly check the unboxing of that.
We don't need to.
The DJI Mic Mini showcases exceptional audio recording capabilities, providing vloggers and tech reviewers with professional-grade sound quality. With omnidirectional microphones, it captures crisp and clear audio even in noisy environments. Demonstration of its performance highlight features like active noise cancellation, audio limiting, and multiple recording modes, including mono, stereo, and safety track. These modes ensure versatility for different recording needs. Whether filming tech reviews, interviews, podcasts, or outdoor videos, the mic ensures excellent results with synchronized audio clarity across dual mic setups or even dual camera setups. Like I have two cameras here, one in front of me, and there is another overhead camera, and I am using two microphones at the same time. Okay, personally, I believe for reliable, high quality audio in a compact design, the DJI Mic Mini sets a new standard, enabling effortless recording for any project. But okay, as usual, I'm gonna share my real life user experience. We will check some real footages. But before that, let's go through some specifications and some other features. The DJI Mic Mini stands out for its advanced noise reduction capabilities, making it perfect for outdoor shooting. A side-by-side comparison of recordings with and without the noise cancelling feature demonstrates its ability to reduce background noise effectively. Whether dealing with wind, traffic, or crowd noise, this mic ensures that vocals remain clear and focused. The strong noise reduction mode is especially effective for challenging environments, while the basic mode is ideal for quieter settings. Paired with its audio limiting technology, the DJI Mic Mini guarantees distortion-free recordings, enabling vloggers to capture pristine sound even in unpredictable surroundings. What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Now I am using my DJI Mic Mini with my Osmo Pocket 3, and listen carefully, how's the sound quality? Well, let's check the sound quality of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the DJI Mic Mini along with Osmo Pocket 3. What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. I'm sitting in a very crowded restaurant. A lot of people are even staring at me, and yeah, it's a very crowdy, noisy. So what do you think? Is this one better? Or the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's mic is better? Make a comment in the comment section. The DJI Mic Mini's compatibility with a range of devices showcases its adaptability. It connects seamlessly to smartphones, including Motorola, Samsung, and iPhone models, using USB-C or Lightning adapters, and integrates easily with DJI's Pocket 3 camera. When paired with the Pocket 3, it utilizes DJI Osmo Audio's 48 kHz sound sampling rate to deliver professional grade clarity and depth. This flexibility ensures the user can switch between devices effortlessly, enhancing workflow efficiency. Demonstrations of the mic paired with these devices illustrate its ease of use, delivering consistent audio quality across different platforms. Whether for live streaming, mobile content creation, or professional video recording, the DJI Mic Mini adapts to meet the demands of various setups. Okay, I'm not gonna turn this video into any tutorial because there are a lot of different type of tutorials are available. You may go ahead and check those. I'm here to share my honest opinion, and I'm gonna share all the features and how this DJI microphone actually performs. It not only performs, it also looks pretty nice. Look at this. And it comes in two different colors. Well, you may go for this 2 transmitter 1 receiver edition, or you may choose the single transmitter along with a receiver edition. But if that's not enough, if you want to add another additional transmitter, then you may always go ahead and add an extra transmitter. I really like this because some people they may not able to afford 2 transmitter 1 receiver edition. So if you want, you can go for the single transmitter along with the receiver, and then down the road you add another if you need and if you can afford it. Kudos to DJI. Okay, let's talk about the design and accessories. The DJI Mic Mini combines craftsmanship and functionality in a portable, stylish package. Its lightweight design, weighing only 10 grams per transmitter, ensures comfort and ease of use for long recording sessions. By organizing all components into a compact carrying case, the DJI Mic Mini emphasizes portability without compromising functionality. This thoughtful design makes it an ideal choice for vloggers on the go. Not only that, if you're gonna add another extra transmitter, that's gonna come with its own charging dock. Well, the white charging dock actually came with my white transmitter, which I'm using with my overhead camera right now. So, well, let me show you the black one on the dock. The dock is a pretty small one, it doesn't even take any space on my desk. Finally, before we wrap up, there are two other things I need to mention. The first thing is battery. The DJI Mic Mini offers impressive battery performance, with each transmitter lasting up to 11.5 hours and the receiver up to 10.5 hours on a single charge. The charging case provides an additional 48 hours of total runtime, ensuring reliability during extended sessions. Let me be clear, not only on extended sessions. Actually, sometimes I even forget to put back my microphones inside the charging case. And well, after 4 or 5 hours, even after 7 or 8 hours later, I start recording another video and it starts working without any issue, performs as usual. I'm truly very happy with the battery performance. I usually never talk like this, but this time, this is my primary choice of microphone, so you know how good is the performance. Okay, the second thing is the distance. Trust me, I have never seen something like this. This tiny little microphone can cover more than 200 meters. I was away for a while, and I have another channel where Samuels he does some of the videos, he records some of the videos, and he was like, "Oh, this one is like a beast. It never gets disconnected." Truly, the distance is very long, longer than what you can even imagine. Kudos to DJI one more time. What's up, everybody? Microphone testing, DJI Mic Mini. Distance 100 meters. Well, now it's 150 meters. How's the sound quality? It's a very windy. I can't even see the camera. It's 200 meters. Can you still hear me? How's the sound quality? It's very windy. 50, 100, 150, 200, and now it's 250 meters. Can you see me? How's the sound quality? It's windy and very noisy. Ooh. It's very cold. Okay, it's time for verdict, and it may sound like I'm repeating some words. I'm repetitively praising this DJI mic because this one truly costs only half of what I used to have. If you have watched my other videos, my previous videos, you may have noticed that I've been using another microphone, and these days I'm using this DJI Mic Mini. Even if I have very expensive microphones, it's my primary choice. So, yeah, let me repeat one more time. DJI Mic Mini combines portability, versatility, and professional grade audio quality, making it an essential tool for vloggers or tech reviewers. From advanced noise cancellation to multi device compatibility, it delivers exceptional performance in a compact design. You know, I do smartphone reviews. I have a lot of different smartphones here, and I've tried this DJI Mic Mini with almost all the different smartphones, and the performance is very consistent. It even turns budget smartphones' performance way better because I believe if the sound quality is a lot better, if it's professional grade, sometimes people may accept mediocre videography. And that's what DJI Mic Mini have been doing. And when it's used with a DSLR, it's a tiny yet mighty monster. Well, I've left a link of DJI Mic Mini in the description box below. If you wanna buy, you can buy it from anywhere. That's not an affiliate link. I don't believe in affiliation. I'm not gonna earn a single penny from you because I'm here to share my honest opinion. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
We don't need to talk about it. We don't need to talk about it.